How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and open up your WhatsApp and tap on the chat where you have the location. Then usually what happens is if you directly tap on this Google Maps on your Android device, it will redirect you to Google Maps, and you could also use what kind of app you want to go with. And if you are on an Apple device, you could choose Apple Maps or Google Maps here. I have three options, so I can either go with Google Earth or Google Maps. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it with Google Maps. And if you want it to open with Google Maps always, you can choose always, or if it's for just once, you can do just once like this. Now the map location will be opened in your Google Maps. So if I just zoom out of the location, as you can see here, I have opened this pinned map on my Google Maps. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.